but all across the area except for now Dutchess and Sullivan counties, or I should say Ulster counties, currently seeing much improved conditions here. So not quite meeting that criteria, but it is in a lot of places still. And unfortunately, the fires are still burning. It's still going to be an issue the next few days. We still have that flow that's going to keep at least some of our area in that unhealthy zone, especially across central and south Jersey. You do see improvement, though, from Connecticut and the Hudson Valley. So we'll definitely take that. The Battery now at 60 degrees. We have West Orange at 54 with City Island down to 59 degrees. We're headed up to about 70 degrees with sun and clouds outside of some of that smoky haze. So still take it easy. 68 degrees by noontime. It is after lunch that we could see a few spotty showers and thunderstorms. So be ready for that late afternoon and evening with temperatures in the upper 60s through dinner time. All right, let's see how the commute is shaping up this morning. It's been pretty quiet weather-wise aside from the smoke. So how are things looking on the roads and rails?
It's actually been
map updated, and it looks like northeastern New Jersey, Long Island, lower Hudson Valley might be out of the air quality alert for now. So that's some good news. But we still have it up in places, and that is the trend that we see through the next few days, at least, that the air quality will continue to improve. Of course, yesterday was another tough day, but the smoke is still present. It's not completely wiped away, so that's why we've got to keep an eye on those changing winds. But you can see by tomorrow morning more of us getting into what may be ending up as some nice blue sky. Today, we're looking at clouds and sun, 68 degrees by noontime, on our way up to about 70. You want to keep the umbrella handy too, especially this afternoon through about dinner time. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible, and then should be a pretty quiet overnight. Temperature still in the 60s through 10 o'clock. All right, let's check out how things are moving or not moving. Adele, as is the case often. What's going on?
Not moving right now on the Belt Parkway. So you
hard to predict exactly where we're going to be, say, 12, 13 hours from now. I know you look ahead,
right,
but they're trying to figure out the real world impact on events like GovBall.
Yeah, of course. And it's, we have that implication, and it's still decisions to be made over the next few days. The fires are still burning. We still have the influence of this area of low pressure kind of spinning around. It's going to be enough today, obviously, to still keep some smoke around, but also the chance for some thunderstorms, especially this afternoon and evening. Ridgefield, Connecticut on that list to see that temperatures near 70 degrees. But I've got to warm up, clear skies, and much needed rainfall in the forecast. So a lot to get through. I'll show you in the 10-day.
All right.
That's helped a little bit, I think, just in dealing with all of this. But you heard the stat before, 29th now worldwide, worst air quality in the city currently. Worse than us, 18th on the list is Detroit. So we're seeing this smoke still ebb and flow, and it's, it's not easy modeling where smoke is going to go because you have to take into account, of course, the winds and the weather, but also the status of the fires themselves. We know they're still burning, and this is going to be something we've got to watch still over the next few days, even though we continue to talk about some of that improvement. For now, it's definitely improved in the Hudson Valley, Connecticut. So looking at bluer skies for you guys this morning, and then I think more of us get in on some of that for tomorrow morning. Central and South Jersey will keep an eye on you. Still some hazy skies, and their models trying to bring back some of the denser smoke by Sunday. We're not seeing the density that we had the last couple days, but it's not going away. And that area of low pressure is certainly contributing to that. But we get into the weekend and we get a chance to have some high pressure build in, quiet weather days, and then things get a little more active next week, including late Monday with that front and that next area of low pressure moving in. Southerly winds bringing us some showers and storms, and like spokes on a wheel, we get another boundary coming through that keeps that chance for some showers and storms through Tuesday. This, I think, is going to be some much needed rainfall, but that might be it for a little bit. We'll show you that in the 10-day. But this is more like it, right? You can see some of that haze, but you can also see the buildings. There were times yesterday that smoky haze, we couldn't see really much past the Midtown area, but we're at 59 degrees currently. We'll call it sun and clouds today. Again, areas are getting a little bit bluer than the last few. We'll get to about 70 degrees. Keep the umbrella handy today. There is a spotty shower or thunderstorm chance, and you can see as early as 2, 3 p.m. through about dinner time, and you may get some brief gusty winds and some downpours around that evening commute time, or if you're hopping in the car and maybe trying to head to the beach.